I'm going to show you a couple Zentangles in process. Right now I'm working on some bubbles. I started with larger circles and now I'm filling in the spaces with smaller circles. Keep a variety of different circles in here to make it look neat. These are overlapping lines. Pretty simple concept, just make sure you have lots of different directions. For these three patterns, they follow the same process. So we'll start with a swirl, swirl around, swirl around. Once you start running into other swirls, make it look like some of the swirls are sneaking underneath each other. Same thing over here with these dust bunnies. Move around until you start running into other dust bunnies, then make them look as though they are overlapping. And same process for these starbursts. Feel free to add extra bursts. You don't have to keep it to 5-pointed stars. It can get a little awkward if you do that.